Okay, so Honey Baby was helping me watch, make sure we could get her in there, and we can. I was just noting that, you know, once I take this tongue off, I got plenty of space in the front, and there's going to be a side wall to my left, and there's going to be a back wall back here. So that right now, if this wall was here, that motor would be pretty close to the wall right there, and we still have another foot or so in the front. So what I will do is next time we have a nice day, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I kind of want to get this in, and Honey Baby wanted me to also, but once I finish the sidewalls and all, then I'll I don't know, just look at it and figure out what I want to do beyond that, if anything. Okay, so I am wore out and pretty much exhausted. I pushed myself hard today because I knew it was going to rain tomorrow, and I didn't want to leave the roof halfway done so that water could run up under the tin. So I just kind of kept So I will say this: I'm going to pull this plastic up to the edge of that wall, and then I'm going to cut little notches in it so that if water comes down in here, I'd like for the water to run under it. So I may, you know, push it up in there, kind of turn it up so that if water comes down there, it'll run underneath that. Out here in front, I'm going to take some of this gravel. This is some leftover gravel I had when I was doing all this work, and I left it here really for this, you know, for this kind of purpose. So I'm going to take that gravel and I'm going to cover this plastic here so that it won't be just loose. It'll be covered up so you drive over it. I did the same thing over there. On this side, I'm going to have a little plastic left over. I may want to leave a little bit hanging out, put my tin down right over it so that the tin kind of pins the plastic down. Anything that's left over, I'll find a use for somewhere else. This isn't the prettiest in the world, considering the fact that I used all that old tin. So if any of you are terribly upset about the ugliness of the building because of that, you know, if you're feeling like, well, you used a lot of really nice wood, but then you made it look crappy by using that old tin, I will let you buy brand new tin for me if you so desire. If it's like if it's in your heart to have this be a really pretty building, and you want to spend what I think a sheet of that stuff 12 feet long is $35-45 or so. So yeah, and they take quite a few of them to do that. It's 20 feet long. It's actually 22, 23, might be close to 24 with that little lip. So yeah, y'all want to spend that kind of money, just you know, send the money out to Cutworm 59 out in Arkansas with a love note, and tell him to send it to me via check, money order, or food stamps, whichever, you know, works the most bestest for everybody involved. I'm not proud. I'll take anything that comes along. I'm setting a little scooter mug over there. It's too late to go to the dump today. I had that kind of on my list, but just not feeling as important as it is feeling important for me to knock off and drink some iced tea for a while, so get a shower and such as that. So I'll talk to y'all tomorrow, or I may not. I may spend all day tomorrow making videos. Sometimes on a rainy day. Well, I was thinking about it. If it's a rainy day tomorrow, I might go down and see Jim and get a grand tour of his place, and then make videos and wait for the weather to pretty back up. But we'll see. Okay, love y'all again. And have a nice day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Appreciate you. Appreciate you now.